In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use descriptive statistics tool in Excel. So by default, if you want to compute statistics like mean, median, mode, standard deviation, you can use formula. But formulas are difficult to remember, and Excel give you the option to use the add-in for data analysis, and that will compute all the values in a single click. But before you use this tool, make sure your data is final, because this tool will only give you the numbers. But if you want to edit or alter your data, then you have to run this tool again. So this is a drawback of this tool. So let's find out how we can enable this tool first of all. So first of all, you have to go to File and then click on Options. And in Option, you will find your add-ins. In add-ins, these are the add-in that are installed on our local machine. And here you can see Manage and Excel add-ins. Click on Go. So after clicking on Go button, you will see this dialog box where you can see I have made a tick mark on Analysis ToolPak. So if you are adding this add-ins for first time, then you have to click on this and click on OK. So now it will show you in the data tab here in the data analysis. This is the analysis tool pack which we have enabled. So click on data analysis, and here you will find various tools in the analysis tool pack. So for our this practical, we need descriptive statistics, and click on OK. So here you will have to give the input range, like where the data resides. So for example, I have given this before doing this practical, we have to do our own research whether the tool works or not. So I have given B5 to B10 range and grouped by columns. And here is the output range. By default, it will give you the output in the new worksheet. But if you have space on your worksheet, you can give the range using this button. And here you will see some option like you can tick summary statistics. You need to tick so it can summarize the stats. And here the three option you can you can check it or uncheck it, but it means something else, not I will define this practical. So click on OK. So here the all the descriptive statistics, like it has computed the mean, it has standard error, median, mode. If you are a statistics student, you know what this mean, median, mode means, and standard deviation, simple variance. You don't need to have formulas. Need to no don't need to remember any formulas. You can use the descriptive tools, but use only if your data is final. If you want to alter it, then you will have to run this tool again because values are going to change. And these are only values. I have explained it earlier also. And skewness range. The range means that it has subtracted the maximum value from minimum value, and this is the answer. And it has also computed the sum of the range that is 100, and also computed the count for you. So min max formula, it has covered some formula already covered in this tool, count formula already covered in this tool, and these are all the formulas that it has covered using analysis tool pack. So in this way you can use this descriptive statistics tool. Thanks for watching.